Hi guys, welcome to Paswan's blog. I am going to make a blog today. Weather is not very good. The rain is blowing, and rain is about to come. You could see if you are able to see. This is the weather, and right now I am standing, and you could see Pius and Korea is playing with each other. They are playing outside. This is here. Now you could see that tree is doing some movement. You could see many vocabulary I don't know, so that's why I'm not capable to speak and on that. You could see today's weather is not very good. Rain is about to come any time. The rain could come. You could see Sia has gone outside and they are talking with each other. I could see. I have taken to Agastya into my lap, and Agastya is watching me making the blog. Pius is talking. Could see Bhuvar is here. Hey, come inside. Now you could see wave is coming. I could say the speed of the air is a little bit more. You could see this is the tree which is doing the movement. Hey, come inside. Come inside. Don't go outside. Now I think heavy wave will come. Sia, oi, come inside and shut the door. So come inside, oi, Sia and Bhura, come inside, please. Come inside. Okay, shut the door. Shut the door. So today weather is not very good, and I think the wave will come. Like a air will come, which will be more speeder. Now you could see. He is sitting on the chair, and Korea is sitting on the bed. Sia is standing here. Pius is sitting there. I am holding right now to Agastya. Okay, you could also see me taking to Agastya. Agastya is with me. What are you doing, Agastya? Agastya, what are you doing? Agastya is looking at the phone. So now I have come inside the room. Now I am going outside. Do you want to go to Mama? Go. Agastya wants to go to his Mama. He is going to his Mama. Now I am going on upstairs to make the blog on upstairs. If I will see any situation, on that situation I will try to speak. Now you could see Sujju is studying the newspaper, solving the maths question. And a little bit rain has come. You could see some drops, and you could see today is the weather. Okay, today's weather is not very good. Rain could come. Rain may come anytime. Where is the plant?
Yes.
And you could see Sujju has grown some plant. This is the plant of, what is it? Aloe vera. So this is the plant of aloe vera, and this is the plant of something else. This is the flower plant. So whatever situation you have, you should try to speak on that. Now rain has started coming. Now I have come inside. Hey Sujju, fold it.
I will fold it my
So now some minutes ago I taught students. Now they went to home, and this is the dari which I took for the students. They sit on it. You could see these are the utensils. Now I am going down stairs. I am hungry now, so I will stop making the blog then, and I will eat some food. Now you could see Piyush is here. Now Dhiren has come. Now Agastya has started crying. Why are you crying?
मेरे को मारा रोने लगा.
Don't cry, don't cry. Agastya is crying. Now I am going to have the food. Firstly, I will see. And this, you could see, this is the broom. Broom. This is a broom. Here is the food. I am going to take the food. And I think nothing is available here. What is it? It may be the rice. So I am going to have the rice. Now I have opened it. You could see this is the rice to whom I am going to have. So I am going to show you. This is the rice. You could see this is the rice. I am going to serve for myself. Now Agastya has also come. You could see watching here. Agastya has come. Whenever I make a blog, Agastya wants to come in that blog. So that's why he comes. And what is it? I don't know. Oh, this is the pulse. So I will have the food with the pulse and rice. I will have. And what is it? Nothing is in it. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Start speaking whatever situation you have. Thank you.